EAS in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Seminole County in east central Florida, east central Lake County in east central Florida, northwestern Orange County in east central Florida, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cassia, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Apopka, Lake Mary, Mount Plymouth, and Cassia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The short-term